Most people think to win in business, you need to be in a big city. And out of the 36 shops that I own, this one is one of my best, and it happens to be in one of the smallest towns with a population of only 4,000 people. Let's check it out. Got a DoorDash delivery. I don't want them to get too cold, so if you guys want to
Thank you.
tell the guys to come in. We got the command center in here. Pretty nice.
Is you Wile E. Coyote?
Oh yeah, they draw on this thing. Payment options. It's pretty accurate. Who's the monkey?
No, that's me. I'm the guy behind the monkeys watching
Okay,
them,
that's
trying
you?
to figure out what they're doing.
Okay.
That's obviously Lester.
Anaconda chasing people.
Oh, he's an anaconda.
He's an anaconda with Lester's head.
Got it.
Wait till you go in the bathroom. So when you get fired here,
Wait till you, okay.
you at the tech bathroom. So one of these pictures soon will be in the bathroom.
Who's this?
That's Eric.
In Antarctica?
Invasion in Greenland.
Yeah, he wants Greenland.
That's Cam?
Cam don't got one yet.
You don't have one?
He's well, we got to get to know him well enough because some people take it too serious. I got one. I'm the Queen of England on the inside.
I saw that.
Yeah, I'm part of Epstein's Island. We got to call the cops. We got there. He got a picture on the inside.
What's he?
Oh, Jason Statham. We thought he looked like that. We had him a homeless guy sitting out back eating our garbage.
And where's you?
So somebody came in and said she was the Queen of England and the Middle East, and Epstein bowed down to us because we're Midas. She had real mental issues. So we really had to call the cops. So in the bathroom is everybody who doesn't work here. We got Anthony from Ogon's picture in here. We got BDTLs. Kim.
Oh my God.
No, these are all employees. That's Ermi, but he's back. That was the tech we had to fire. That was he's gone. That was fired. That was he thought he was the assistant district manager, so I'm like a sign in the background.
What would I be?
Well, a couple. I told you look like the singer from Yellow Card a couple days ago. I got a bunch. Depends on how deep you want to go.
Keep going.
We're about to do The Office, where we take our coffee pot and you smash it up. I thought we might do that
Yeah,
today.
that's fine.
Do that.
Okay, you saw that? Yeah.
Saw everything. I'm like your stalker. I'm probably going to go to jail soon.
I had this idea of taking a 2-ply apart and splitting it to make a 1-ply.
We're almost there. Together.
We gotta save some money.
Trying to buy a used one offline. Trying to buy used toilet paper, save everything.
All right, let's inspect. 2-ply, it's the problem. We've been wasting money on 2-ply, and like it's just the costs are out of control. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this and we can split it apart into a 1-ply, and we could literally double the amount of toilet paper and save dozens of dollars a month. So let's get to it. dozens of dollars.
It's not a bit.
Yeah. People are gonna be like, wait, what?
It's a saw blade.
Yeah, don't put that down.
This thing's kind of heavy.
Dude,
to
I
one
know,
hand.
yeah, you're gonna hurt.
Hey, we're gonna order coffee. Hey, Ernie.
Duncan, good.
good shot.
Trash. All right, so this right behind me is the main road of this entire town. It ends just past here, past the light. There's like a Giant and a dollar store, and then it goes all the way down this way where there's a highway, there's a Starbucks, there's a Taco Bell. We got every fast food place, Arby's, McDonald's, there's a car dealership, but that's it. I mean, we here at Midas are the only national brand auto repair shop. We have no other national competitors. And then, obviously there's a few mom and pop independents, but that's about it. Look at this guy.
Old district manager told us to throw it away. And I'm like, no. I think Stroudsburg had something that got stolen.
The old Midas patch.
Yeah.
This was really good, yeah.
Employee of the month.
Yeah, employee of the month.
Upper management tells us to take it down.
Upper management. Man, it's pretty cool. My new friend, the welded hat. He's not happy though.
That's his mustache.
Oh, that's his handlebar?
Yeah, it's a handlebar. They drag him.
Oh, I guess he is kind of happy then.
No,
Oh, what's this?
you don't want to know where that went.
So this tire. So when you got a really bad alignment or suspension problem, this is all metal. It's like the skeleton of the tire. So it peels off all the rubber and then it shows you, don't touch it. Yeah, you can get it stuck in your fingers. Yeah, don't touch it. We were doing this math. Chris was like doing all the math on the back end. We figured out that customers who buy tires spend like significantly more, 3 times as much money with us post tire sale. So once we sell them tires, it's like the gateway to getting all the other stuff. It proves that they visit it more often, they spend more money.
But I can see why like people don't like this low GP and they'd rather like $600 and save
Yeah.
brakes instead of tires. But now they're coming back.
Yeah, and you don't there's no complaints, right? When
No.
you put them on, they leave. It's not like, oh, the noise is still there.
Yeah, there's nothing.
My check engine light came back on. So I can't fix the cars, but what I can do is throw out tires. Just help wherever you can, you know? I don't actually know where they go. Dude, nice. It's one of our only shops that have something like this. A little attached garage, or golf balls. Smells like skunk. This thing's all filled up.
Where was your eggs going?
This is the Craig. Coffee machine's got to go in there. It's a poster. Is that you?
Somebody got it. One of the old employees got it. He's like,
It's true.
because I'm like a goldfish.
I
act like a shark.
Dollar Bean.
Somebody gave me a, when I counted the drawer one day, there's a half $5 bill, and I don't know what happened to it. Somehow I got chipped $5. Because I did try to take it to the bank, and they're like, where's the other half? I was like, I don't know, why I'm here.
It's kind of nice. The window gives you kind of some privacy too, a little. It feels.
Yeah, well, when we renovate it, it'll get the blue with the sign. And
Yeah. So there'll be a wall.
yeah, this will be one of the stores we do.
Where's that on this list?
Ask the wrong person. But yeah, no, this is.
I feel like this one doesn't need it as much as some of the others.
Still, that'll be nice. Redo the floor, redo the sign, get the new pods.
The guys will appreciate it.
I don't know if we do into the office. Probably. Did you get this thing? We should make a Colin one.
We did. He didn't like it. And he's the boss. I'm like, nope, you're the boss. We'll take this right now. When he was here, so we
Yeah.
had Colin Angels,
Okay.
and they were handing a Midas card,
Okay.
and some about Colin and not using the Midas card because of Lululemon.
Oh,
It
yeah.
probably got saved to the desktop, actually. Yeah, that one didn't make it.
Diddy Riddler.
There's Scott.
That's it. That's just the one.
Told ya.
What kind of guitar you got there?
This is my like crappy one. That's a funny story about this one. I got a cheap one, and my friend painted it. But the funny story about this one is I had a blind dog, and he
blind dog?
He had a blind pug, the best dog you ever meet in your life, and he knocked it over once, and I fixed it, and he knocked it over again. He's dead now, but
He lives in the guitar.
yeah, it's awesome. So
It's memory.
what I got this for is like whenever it's slow, I play, and people show up.
Do you sing too?
I do backup, so I don't really sing.
Okay,
Just yell into a microphone. Hopefully nobody judges me.
Do you have pictures of your band?
The last band I toured with was on Spotify.
What was that?
YouTube too.
What was that called?
Marshall Railroad.
Is that you?
Yeah, when the glasses before you got
The
lazy.
spiky hair?
Yeah, back in the day.
Became my life now.
Yeah, we got a couple thousand, like 100,000 listens on YouTube.
Nice.
I get like 14 cents every year.
Has he ever played songs for you guys?
I haven't heard anything yet.
Do you think he's good?
I've heard he's
him
good.
play once. Like if,
Heard he's good.
I've heard he's good.
like if he's running late to practice and like he hasn't learned a song, like I'll see him tweak it at it. He's good.
Wonder if we can get him to sing us a song. Does he sing too?
I don't know if he sings. I don't think he can sing.
We'll find out.
He doesn't give me,
We'll be the judge of that.
he doesn't give me singer vibes.
What I like about these smaller towns is definitely there's less competition, but it also takes a great team. The manager that we have here has been here for 15 years. He's been the manager, and people know him. He creates a lot of trust, and to succeed in a small town, that's what it takes. We can't have a cycle of managers. We can't have a bad reputation. Otherwise, we get destroyed. And so I view it as kind of this like high risk, high reward, where if we can do a great job having a great team, then it is one of the best stores that we could own. And if we have a carousel of managers, it's probably going to be one of our worst.
What was great is the other manager before me, his name
Yeah.
was Jason.
Okay.
People would call, I'm like, Jason? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, I'm a junior friend. I'm like, hell yeah, you have. And I just rolled with it.
This is like all the way, right? Isn't it like here to
Here
the
on the
taco,
highway,
the
there's
Starbucks?
Yeah, the Starbucks is new. They built that. The Dunkin' was a Burger King. But this is all the time. So there's a lot of old folks' homes down there or meth heads. So you see a lot of that.
We're trying to find other small towns like Wind Gap, like in the Lehigh Valley, where it's like, you know,
Enough people.
there's enough people, but then there's not, like we could be because we're the only major brand, right?
That's what I'm afraid, because I think we were talking about before, where you move all these places in, well, eventually,
Yeah.
Maeve's going to move in, a Firestone's eventually,
Yeah.
but they haven't. I think the market study, this was years ago, the old owner was telling us when we would do our advertising, more people travel further to come here than most.
That's
stores.
true. Yeah. Yep.
We don't
Yeah.
have
It
that
pulls
1 mile.
like a 5 mile, 6, 7 mile.
Because he'll come sometimes with a map. He goes, "You ever get an address from this weird town over
Yeah,
here?"
yeah.
I'm like, "Yeah, we do." Okay,
Yeah.
we'll go there.
So our success at this shop is making me want to find more like this. Like every single week, I am talking to brokers, and we are trying to find, more cities like this one. We are trying to find more shops. And the challenge is there aren't that many existing, shops that we could buy or convert. And so now we're looking at, old Rite Aids. We're looking at old like other retail that we could go in there and turn it into a shop, bust out the doors, put in all the equipment. Now we've never done something to that extent. Today we have 36 stores. We've got a goal to get to 50. We've acquired most of the existing Midas shops kind of in the footprint that we operate. And so all of our growth is going to come from new development, whether that means converting, a competitor into our brand, or it means taking a non-shop and, making it into one. And so I'll be documenting that as we go. So hit the subscribe button if you want to see what that looks like.
It's where you can reflect on your on all the money you made today.
Yeah, we're gonna clean this. Oh my god, how dirty this is. There's just soap. It's just soap on the wall. It's self-cleaning. Cleans up great. Man, that's how I clean things.
Definitely a method.
It's definitely cleaner than it was.
No, it definitely is.
There we go. That's nicer. Ignore the.
Your runoff.
Hopefully no one falls.
Workers' comp.
Workers' comp. The sink look cleaner?
Yeah.
There you go. You're welcome.
You're the best.
I know, and I
just
I
get sick of cleaning it myself.
I can use a brush once in a while.
You want to teach these other guys how to do it?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. You
Show
just,
them where the
you
dumpster's at.
just
And be like, Lester, this is a broom.
this is a brush.
Across the floor. It's
Pronounced soap.
Soap. AJ, how much can you lift?
I don't lift.
Oh, okay.
This is my gym.
This is your gym.
I can't lift Lester. Know that.
Eh.
I mean, that was pretty.
Well, we don't know how tight the bolt is, though. That's the.
Okay, Larry.
Nito. You ever have Nito?
Yeah, I know Nito.
They're hard to get.
They're name brand. People collect them.
But I squeezed and broke it. Well,
What's the other one?
That's a regular one. And I got, hold on, I got awesome stuff for stress relief over here.
Oh boy. Drugs?
Punchy bag. Having an inflatable wacky guy.
I was thinking actually my ride home. You should get an inflatable wacky guy for a day and see how much business it drives.
So we had one every Saturday we put out at Firestone. It was a pain in the ass.
Did it work?
Everybody knows you're open.
I know.
I think it's like more for like the staff maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Fidget hands. You have 2-ply?
The 2-ply?
Edel, no more
That's why you gotta get it.
2-ply.
That's why you gotta Dunkin'.
Yeah, no more 2-ply. Edel.
Dude, all the ex-employees in the bathroom.
Yeah, like the wall of the members.
Like taking a poo and looking at the remembering your ex-coworkers. Brian, what would your character be?
I know a guy can make you one.
Yeah,
Are you
I don't know
really,
who I would be.
Are you really sensitive though? This ain't for sensitive people. Everybody says they're not sensitive. We get a good picture. I don't know you well enough to take a shot yet, but when you leave, there might be a picture of you.
Yeah.
We already got ideas on you. Don't worry about it. I'll email it over later.
Popeye's Chicken is one of the fastest growing franchises in America. There's over 2,000 locations. And the question is, do they make any money?
It's like a car sign. You could live in it.
Yeah, you could live in this thing. I think I could fit in there.
Cameron, how much was your box? 25, 30? And if I were to go buy that today,
Like 45.
I told him.
Yeah.
I think I'm down to like 23 right now.
Okay. How long you had it?
Almost a year.
Okay. It's nice.
Told you. That
Yeah.
Snap-on logo is worth a lot of money.
I know.
So you pay it in perpetuity?
No, you pay interest and
Like
payments.
monthly? Yeah,
monthly
like
payments.
installments?
Probably pays $2,000 a month or
Yeah,
something.
Why
the guy
can't you
comes.
just get like a box?
Well, because you can need more tools.
But
You gotta talk to them guys. But you do feel a difference. Like a U.S. General or this, like the drawers feel better.
Yeah.
So I get that part. I mean, this one's actually kind of nice. When you're a top guy, you gotta have the top stuff.
That's right.
You don't have the top guy walking around with like a duffel bag of tools.
Oh yeah.
it's paper bags.
Yeah. And it's like an efficiency thing because they can be more organized.
Yeah, we did.
Was he good?
No, it was horrible. I think he did in the last 3 days.
That's the one who blew a tire up on.
He blew up a tire on his face.
Yeah.
changing it?
Well, he took it over to the machine, didn't take the air out of it, popped the bead.
Oh,
It
yeah,
was like
just-
80 psi in the tire.
Oh
He
my
said
god.
he changed tires before, so to say. If I hire these guys, say no, change tires. I'm sitting there like, make sure you do it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I was like, you gotta leave.
Oh
You're
my
scared
God.
me. Dang, there's enough stress
You
already.
can't even get hurt. Workers' comp on your first day.
That's one way to get
Pretty
money.
sweet gig.
Like, you're an idiot. Yeah, hurt yourself. Blow out your hearing.
Oh yeah.
Enjoyed this video and want to know what it's like to operate a Midas shop in one of the roughest neighborhoods in Philadelphia? Then watch this video.